Good morning students, myself Ajit Pratap Singh. Today in this video of class 6 science, I'll let you know about one activity, that is how we can get sprouts from seeds. Okay students, in the previous video I told you about the ingredients of food, and I also told you about how we can get the ingredients and sources of food, right? As I told you that ingredients are the items which are required to prepare any dish. Okay, like if we want to prepare boiled rice, then we are required with rice and water, right? So this is how the ingredients required in preparing any dish. But today in this video I'll let you know about how we can sprout some seeds. Okay students, for this we will have to go through this activity, that is activity number 3. Okay students, for this first of all we will have to take some seeds of moong or chickpea. Okay, as you all know that moong is a pulse which is very much required. For this, then we have to soak them overnight in water. The seeds of moong or chickpeas, we will have to soak them. Then we will drain out the water the very next day. And now after draining the water, what we will do, we will wrap the seeds in a wet cloth. Okay, and after wrapping the seeds in the wet cloth, we will keep the cloth wet by sprinkling water on it. Sprinkling water means we will be putting water again and again on the cloth so that it will become wet for a longer period of time. Now we will observe the seeds after one day. Then what will happen? Then has a small white structure grown out of the seeds. So now we will see that whether a white structure has been grown from the seeds or not. And if it is come out, or if it is grown, then we will see that the seeds have sprouted. Okay, now the white structure will develop into the root. Okay, as I told you, the white structure which will come out from the seeds, that white structure will develop into the root of a seedling. And now you can wash the sprouted seeds. Okay, first of all you need to wash them, and also you can eat them raw. Okay, apart from this, you can also boil them, or you can boil the sprouted seeds, and by adding some salt and spices you can make a tasty snack as well. Because if you will put some kind of salt and spices in the sprouted seeds, then it will be very delicious. Okay students, so I am hopeful that now you will be able to understand that how we can sprout some seeds with the help of moong or chickpea seeds. So that's it in this video.